What if I tell you you can now generate a 5 to 10 minute video using an AI tool on your phone, and the AI tool is 100% free? In today's video, I will be teaching you how to actually work with these AI tools to generate your video for free. And again, your video can be from 1 to 5 minutes long, 10 minutes, even 20 minutes long, depending on how you use it. I have seen a lot of people use these AI tools on their laptop, but you can actually use this on your phone too if you don't have a laptop yet. So I'm going to teach you how to use these AI tools on your phone so you can be able to create these very long AI videos for your African folktales or whatever type of AI videos you are creating. Spoiler alert, one of these AI tools is not completely free anymore, but you can pay a stipend, chickeny money to get this AI tool working on your phone. I will be walking you through this tutorial step by step, but before we get right in, let's not forget to subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and more importantly, tell me in the comments the next AI tool you will like me to teach you on how to create. Now let's get started. Before you start creating your long videos, the first thing you need is your story. One of the easiest ways to get your story is through ChatGPT. You can prompt ChatGPT to generate a story for you, or better still, if you have any kind of story idea, you can use this mic right over here. So come over here to ChatGPT and use this mic to narrate your story from start to finish. Then give it a prompt to turn the story into a dialogue movie script. If you want it in a series, don't forget to include that in your prompt. Mind you, this is one of the easiest methods to get your movie script, especially if you are good at narrating stories without hesitation, like you will narrate, your pause and think. Okay, you get what I'm saying, right? Using this mic right here is a better choice if you can narrate your story from start to finish. But if you are like me who can't narrate a story without hesitation, make sure you write your story down somewhere, maybe in your notepad where you can easily copy it. I hope all this explanation is making sense. Now that we have gotten how to generate our story out of the way, the next step is how to generate the long videos. I have this movie script or story script that I will be working with, and it is written scene by scene. In some scenes, the dialogue is short, while some are a bit long. The storyline is simple. The story is about a young girl named Lulu, a very smart girl from a poor background who believes education is the key. She worked hard, got a first class degree, and completed her NYC. In her mind, life was supposed to open up after that, so she can get a good job, get good money, respect, and she will be able to help her family. But reality hit her hard. No job, no connection, and her family are depending on her, especially for her younger siblings in school. So when she saw her old school acquaintance Olivia living a soft, luxurious life in Abuja, Lulu started to question everything she believed. She did the same school as Olivia. They are of the same age, but Olivia is living her dream life. That comparison alone shook Lulu, and she decided to move to Abuja to live with Olivia and learn that kind of street life that Olivia is living in Abuja. So that's my story, and I have been working on this script for a while now. I'm currently on scene 12. Because this tutorial is to teach you how to generate longer videos than the usual 6 seconds Grok give, I'm going to dive into the tutorial right away. Now I'm going to copy some part of the script. I can't copy all the dialogue in this scene because if the characters talk for too long, the video might trip. You know, this is AI and it can be crazy sometimes. Now that I have copied the script, I will come over here to the Grok app. Grok has updated their app, and this is what the new interface look like. For those of you who are new or using Grok for the first time, if your app doesn't have this feature, please uninstall it and reinstall it again because these features are new. Now we are going to click on image imagine. Then click on this photo icon here. Tap on animate image and this will take you to your phone gallery to select the scene image. Yes, I have already generated the scene image for this movie script and I use Wix AI to generate all of them. If you don't know how to do that, I have a video that will guide you. I will leave the link of the video on end screen and also in the description box, so make sure you check it out. Okay, this is the image for scene 12. I'm just going to select the image, then further click on done. Then I will allow it to load. Right in this box I will paste the dialogue. Now for a scene where there are multiple characters, you are just going to identify each character by the color of the clothes they are putting on. Because this is AI cannot identify anything or anybody. AI did not know who is a boy, who is a girl, who is a woman, who is a man. You are the one to give the description of the character. So after pasting your dialogue, go ahead and edit it just the way you see me doing. Now Olivia here is the girl on green dress while Lulu is the girl on jean trouser and shirt. You are also going to edit the accent you want them to use. For me, I want them to use a Nigerian accent, so I edited it like this: Olivia speak a Nigerian accent. Then I put a colon. Then on the side where the dialogue is, I'm just going to put a quotation mark so that when Olivia is speaking, the conversation is going to flow. Then I went to Lulu's side where Lulu is supposed to talk. Then I put Lulu speak in Nigerian accent. Then on Lulu's dialogue, I'm going to put a quotation mark like this. After editing, tap on enter and let the video animate. So that's how you're going to edit your dialogue.
Lulu, you fall my hands yesterday. See as my friends come, they laugh me. I leave you the vex for me. I beg no vex, you know say I be novice.
Wow, this is good. This is very, very good. If what Grok generates isn't good, just click on redo it, because you know it's AI and the results are not always perfect the first time. But I must commend Grok. This is good and I am okay with it. Now you're going to go back to your script, copy the follow-up dialogue, then come back to Grok, click on these three dots right here, tap on extend and paste your dialogue. Don't forget, after pasting your dialogue, make sure you edit it. For each character in a multiple scene, make sure you identify the character by what they are wearing and also edit the accent you want the characters to use. After that, click on enter and let it animate.
I leave you the vex for me. I beg no vex, you know say I be novice. Lulu, you fall my hands yesterday. See as my friends come, they laugh me. Like tie for your matter. It be like you go back to Okene go farm. I beg no vex.
My goodness, this is what we have. Isn't it good? Since Grok updated their platform and this new feature came up, no more break in the video like it used to. No more funny movements, no more awkward pauses. It just flows. The conversation will just continue from where it stopped. Now I'm going to go back to my script, copy the follow-up dialogue. Right over here, I'm going to click on this three dots, then further click on extend. After that, I will paste the next dialogue, edit it just the way I told you earlier, then I will click on enter.
I leave you the vex for me. I beg no vex, you know say I be novice. Lulu, you fall my hands yesterday. See as my friends come, they laugh me. Like tie for your matter. It be like you go back to Okene go farm. I beg no vex. Who driver say he fit help me get job? Who? That driver. He no be ordinary driver.
Wow. This is the follow-up conversation and this is really, really good. Now, if you have more dialogue you haven't finished animating, go back to your script, copy the follow-up dialogue, come back here on Grok, click on the three dots right here, further click on extend, then paste your dialogue, edit it just the way I showed you earlier. After that, click on enter and let it animate.
I leave you the vex for me. I beg no vex, you know say I be novice. Lulu, you fall my hands yesterday. See as my friends come, they laugh me. Like tie for your matter. It be like you go back to Okene go farm. I beg no vex. Driver say he fit help me get job. Who? That driver. He no be ordinary driver. How you take no? Anyway, anything where you are do am fast.
Now, if the video finish animating and what Grok gave you isn't good, you can click on redo and it will regenerate the video without it affecting the previous ones. And if you are done with that particular scene, click on the download button here to download the video. Once you are done with the scene, to generate other scene, click on this backward button. Further, click on this photo icon, then tap on animate image. This will take you to your phone gallery to select the scene image for the next scene. So this is the scene image for my next scene. I'm just going to select it by tapping on it like this, then click on done and allow it to load. Now you are going to go back to your script, copy the dialogue for the next scene. For me, I am in scene 13, so I'm just going to copy the dialogue for scene 13. Then I'm going to come back here on Grok. On this prompt box, I'm going to paste the dialogue. Now you're going to edit your prompt just the way I told you earlier, and after editing your prompt, tap on enter and let your video start animating. Once the video is done animating and what Grok gave you is okay by you, then go back to your script to copy the follow-up dialogue. Basically, what you're going to be doing if you have a long dialogue for a scene is to click on extend and the video will keep extending from 6 seconds to 12 seconds to 18 seconds until you finish animating that particular scene. It's as simple as that. Now the next part, once you have everything ready, all your scenes generated, maybe 30 seconds, maybe 1 minute, just go to CapCut and put everything together in order. For those who don't know how to do it, let me quickly show you. Now open your CapCut app, click on new project, and this will take you to your phone gallery. Now you're going to import all the videos you have generated in ascending orders. Once the video load on your timeline, play the video and cut out any mistake, pause or error just the way you see me doing. If you want to add title to your video, click on text and add your title. You can choose any style you like. You can also add transition, but that's totally optional. Once you are done editing, to export, increase your resolution first, okay? Click on AI Ultra HD, then set it to 180p or 4K depending on your phone type. After that, click on export and your video is ready. This is the end of this tutorial. If you find this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and tell me in the comments which AI video you will like me to create next. For now, bye.